Hello, everyone. This is the Vantage RM weekly video update service. It's Sunday night, April the 12th, as we take a quick look at the markets. This is Vantage RM and our website, vantagerm.com. We do this every night as far as videos go, and we also have a recording update during the day to tell people what the market's doing, and a newsletter that we send out. But we like to do something here in our social media area to just kind of go through the markets and give you an idea of what we're looking at from a standpoint of risk that the technical systems say. I am a technician. I know the fundamentals, but the fact of the matter is the market trades a lot by technicals, and that's really where I put my focus. When we look at those technicals, this is what they're showing as we start the new week. We've got corn, which now has a bearish leaning to it, while neutral conditions can be seen in the soybeans and in Kansas City wheat as well as in Chicago, while we've got a bearish leaning in the rice market. So these are the ones that these are the big four markets that we really spend a lot of time on and work with people on as far as risk goes. And that's what the RM stands for. We're risk managers. So we're looking for what the risk is and then how to lay it off. Obviously, tonight, the market is not trading technically. It's not trading fundamentally. It's trading headlines. And as I start tonight, I'm just going to start right up here with crude oil. It's up around $8 right now. And we've got the US dollar up 4.26, the diesel contract up 33, natural gas is up 4 cents. Gold market's in trouble, down $86 as you would expect, and the gold market's down $2.58. This, of course, is off the news that the United States is putting on a blockade over in Iran and blocking any vessels getting to the Iranian coasts. And they are then also setting up where they will escort vessels through the Strait of Hormuz militarily. So this is an unknown. We don't know exactly how this is going to work. I've told you as much as I know. You will probably know more than I do when you're hearing this. But the markets tonight are reacting to this, and that's why we've got the markets so firm in the outside markets. What that's doing to the grain markets, we're up 4 1/4 tonight in the corn, up 7 3/4 in the beans, with meal up $1.20. Oil's up 99 points. Crush margins are higher, especially in the front months. The deferred months are mixed. Wheat market in Chicago is up 10 1/4 cents, with Kansas City up 12 1/4, and the rice market is currently up 6 cents. Again, the market is trading technicals. Is trading headlines, not technicals. So we're going to look here real quickly at these charts. If you look here, you can see the trend line has been broken. It broke this week. We talked about that last Sunday night, that the market could take out that support level. And right now it's trading back up towards that. It could finish back up above that trend line fairly easily. But the technical indicators are all turning more bearish. So if this market closes in the lower part of the range at the end of Monday, it's going to really set up more weakness in the market. And it looks like it could work lower until we get some kind of a weather scare. The soybeans, on the other hand, have moved up above the 1180 area, and tonight are trading at 1183. We'll see if that holds up as we go through the day here on Monday. Again, the technicals really take a back seat when you've got these kind of headlines. Chicago wheat doing the same thing. It's back up against a 9-week moving average, but the market overall started to take on more of a bearish look to it. And we're down against a major support level down here at this 563 area. Taking a look at the Kansas City wheat, up against a resistance area at 605. And again, the market popping higher tonight on the news out of the Middle East. And finally, the rice market, which looks like it's getting ready to have what we call accordion action as we roll from the May contract to July. The funds are still in a big short position here, and if they decide that they want to roll aggressively, they will pound the market, and we could see the market sell down into that 1060, 1040 range, right down into here. And that is what the grains look like. A quick look at the diesel contract. As you can see, it's sharply higher tonight, and we'll see if that holds up as we go through Monday. And there's a lot of questions that we don't have answers to, but we'll probably get them this week. So we'll keep a close eye on it. I'll come back next Sunday night, and we'll go through what the markets look like then. Hope you have a great week, everyone. So long.